morning, but good afternoon. So today, not today, it is the 5th of November, so bonfire night, and so Josh is going to light the fire pit, and we're going to have chocolate marshmallows. So you dip it in these chocolates, which will be fun. Oh, poor slug.
Bye, slug. Oh, that smell.
No matter how close you are, no matter what you say, no matter how hard you try, this is the only way.
Woo!
But you know it
dear.
never
Well,
feel like it was before.
they weren't exactly expensive, but we've got 2 packs. There's our little fire pit. Oh, that's it. Just singe the turtle.
The turtle?
I mean, slug.
Oh no, what slug? Sorry,
Yours
slug.
wasn't even dead.
Huh?
Your sparkler wasn't even done.
It is now.
Do you want another one?
Yes, please.
Josh will get you one. Put it in there.
What's this?
Yeah, throw it in. Right, do you want to sing a song?
Yeah, what song should we sing?
Kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. The neighbours are going to think, what on earth?
What about all things bright and
Bonfire song.
Go on then, Gracie, you lead the way.
Oh, I know this makeup one. There's fireworks in the sky.
You
Baby,
have not just
you're a
made that up.
fight. Careful, Josh, mind your hair. Have you got hairspray on? Be careful. It's getting big now.
There's fireworks
Josh, you John.
in the sky.
Gracie, you haven't just made this song up. You probably learned it at school.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
She's just writing a song. Let's not argue on the vlog.
I haven't, John.
Hey!
Why are you...
Thumbnail.
Mummy, can I have another one?
There's no more left.
There's another packet inside. Shall we do the thingy?
Bum, bum, fireworks. Fireworks, bum, bum. I like fireworks, bum,
Right, do you want to put the thing on then, Josh?
The fire.
I've got my fork ready.
bum.
Hang on.
Alright, Gracie.
Fireworks.
I've got my fork.
What on earth is that?
It's to get the first marshmallow.
Whoa.
Thank you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, look at our fireworks
Over
as
there.
well. Oh. Where? Oh God, I nearly fell in the fire
No,
pit.
you did. The fire's there.
What do you want?
missed it now because you're too small.
Oh, I love that smell though. Actually, I'm going to prod this a bit.
Fireworks in the sky. Bum, bum.
It just looks like a black box. Just put on, you can't really see the chocolate. So you're not going to know if it's melted or not until you just poke it.
Bad hair day. Gracie's been off poorly, haven't you, with tonsillitis, so we haven't made much effort today.
Should we sit down?
No, we ain't got a chair,
Okay.
and
Let's just sing.
you don't want to get a
You just
muddy bum.
You just copy me what I'm singing, okay, Mummy?
Okay.
Fireworks. Sing it then.
Fireworks
In the
sky.
So I sing the first bit and then you copy me, okay?
Okay.
Fireworks in the sky.
Fireworks in the sky.
Bum, bum, bum.
Bum 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 bum.
Swa, swa, swa.
What? Swear, swear, swear. Shh.
Fireworks behind me. You should never touch them.
Oh, a fireworks safety song. Yeah. What else?
You repeat it after me.
Oh, fireworks behind me. You should never touch them.
No. Fireworks behind me. Never touch them.
Never touch them.
Ba-la-doo, ba-doo, ba-la-la-la. You should never go near them. If you think they're not.
Why are you wearing shorts on the 5th of November, may I ask?
So I've just come back to football training.
Remember the 5th of
I think it was dead anyway.
Oh, I feel sorry.
Well, you should be. You just burnt it.
Hold on.
Awesome.
Don't get it with my thing that I'm going to eat my marshmallows with.
Where's the stick gone? Sorry.
Whoa.
Oh no.
Josh is saving the slug. Look, Gracie.
Oh, no, it's melting onto the stick.
How is it?
Hotter.
Do you want to go?
Yeah.
Right, hang on then. Go on then.
It's not hot.
So shove the whole marshmallow in. How's that?
Mm.
Is it good? Can Mummy have a turn?
I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. No matter how hard I try to not let you back in, forgiveness is so easy when you've got a lot to give. You can only take so much before there's nothing left. And you always want, but you never wanna give. And I know you can see all of the pain that's gathered in my eyes when I look at you, when I look at you. And now I realize that all this time you had no heart, so you used mine, oh you used mine. And I don't want your love no more, no more. No, I don't want your love no more, no more. Every day I'm hurting more and more, but I don't want your love no more, no more.
Wow.
I don't want your love no more, no more.
Me and Mummy was just looking at the fireworks, and there was loads of colours in them. And then I just said, if Guy Fawkes' plan did work, then there would not be in the fireworks. And do you know how he died? I'll tell you how. Because well, he wanted to kill the King James I, and then he tried to plot the Parliaments.
The what?
Parliaments.
All right.
Parliaments. Can't say it. But he all he had to do is lit a little light button, and then it'll go. And he did that because he was really good at it. And do you know why he wanted to kill the king?
Hi, Betsy. No, why?
Because there were different so King James was an orchid, and then he was a different one, so he didn't like the king. Then it didn't work because everyone knew about it, so they sent a letter to King James I, and then he sent his guards to send him to prison, and then they chopped his head off and put spikes on his head, and he died. And that's why they put a bonfire night to celebrate. That plan didn't work.
Very good.
Every single day I'm burning more, but I don't want your love no more, no more. I don't want your love no more, no. Your love no more, your love no more.